So right here we got a 2007 GMC 4500 Kodiak that we just put a Kelderman kit on the front end just to keep that ride nice and smooth. Chopper, go ahead and hit that switch. So you got bagged seats, a bagged cab for a smooth ride, and then what used to be a leaf spring front end is now bagged as well. So you have that full adjustability. Go ahead and lift it up. Bags in there. We got height sensors in each corner that tell the vehicle level. We got 4 by air compressors on this system with a 3-gallon tank up above them, and then across on the other side there's 2 more 3 gallons. We got the air management system, which is an Airlift 3P management system with the height sensors added in, of course. Got that tucked in this cubbyhole just to protect it from all the weather, even though they're waterproof. And then on this side, a little emergency fill over there, so you can add a hose and take off his tires, service the vehicle or other vehicles. All around, just a sick-ass truck that is now bagged on all corners with the best of the best. So I would definitely recommend this Kelderman kit. After taking that test drive, it is one hell of an improvement. Now that's a wrap on the Kodiak, as it's about to go cross country towing who knows what.